Imagine building a YouTube channel that explains psychology in a way anyone can understand, without ever showing your face. The channel I'm talking about is Psych2Go. It uses mostly animated, faceless content to break down psychology in simple, bite-sized pieces. Their videos cover a wide range of topics, including personality types, attachment styles, emotional intelligence, mental health tips, relationships, habits, and personal growth. Many of their videos are short and digestible, designed to be relatable so viewers can learn something new in just a few minutes. What makes Psych2Go really stand out is how they combine animation, clear narration, and real-life examples. Each video often starts with a hook, a question, scenario, or surprising fact that immediately grabs attention. From there, the content is broken down into simple steps, tips, or explanations that anyone can understand. This makes even complex psychological ideas feel simple, fun, and memorable. Their content works so well is consistency and structure. Most videos follow a predictable flow, a strong hook, a clearly explained concept, examples viewers can relate to, and a satisfying conclusion. This creates a sense of familiarity, which keeps audiences coming back for more. Many of their videos also include reflective questions or prompts, encouraging viewers to think about themselves, share their experiences, or engage in discussions in the comments section. Their visual style is also a big part of the appeal. Clean, colorful animations, smooth transitions, and easy-to-read text make the videos professional and enjoyable to watch. Even without showing a face, Psych2Go has created a strong identity that viewers recognize instantly. Now let's get to video generation. Step 1. Make the title. Before you create a video, you need a strong title. Don't worry, I've already done the hard work for you. In the description, you'll find a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts. You can just copy the title prompts from there, open ChatGPT, and paste it in. It will generate 10 to 15 clickable, psychology-focused video topics for you to choose from. Take your time to read through the list and pick the topics that feel most interesting or that you think your audience would relate to the most. Titles are crucial because they are the first thing a viewer sees. A strong, curiosity-driven title can increase clicks and engagement dramatically. Step 2. Create the script. Once your topic is ready, copy the script prompt from the same Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, replace the placeholder with your chosen topic, and let it generate a full, human-readable script. Skim through and tweak it slightly so it sounds natural and engaging. Now read the script ChatGPT given to you so you have confidence that second step of video generation is completed without any flaws. Step 3. Voiceover. For the voiceover, we'll be using 11 Labs to bring our script to life. Start by copying the script you created in Step 2 and pasting it into 11 Labs text-to-speech tool. Next, select the voice we've chosen for this video, Eleanor Grace, which has a tone similar to popular Psych2Go style narrations. Generate the voice and download the audio file. This voiceover will serve as the foundation for the narration of your video, adding clarity and personality to the content. Step 4. Image generation. For image generation, we've already written a ready-to-use image prompt that you can copy directly from the document. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT, then insert your script into the designated script section to generate multiple image prompts. Once the prompts are created, copy each one and paste it into Gemini to generate the images. Make sure that every prompt specifies a 16:9 aspect ratio, using the attached image as a reference, and always add the line make aspect ratio from attached image at the end of each prompt. After the images are generated, download them, and then we're ready to move on to Step 5. Step 5. Animating image. Now in ChatGPT, below your image prompts, you need to write animation prompts for each of the image prompts you gave for Grok. Next, you need to use the Grok AI tool to animate these images and turn them into a video. You need to press the Imagine tool, insert your image, and then paste that image-specific animation prompt below it. That's exactly how your image will turn into a video. Step 6. Video editing. You need to align all the animated images with the voiceover you created in Step 3, making sure the visuals match the narration smoothly. Final step. Thumbnail creation. Go below your ChatGPT script chat and write, "Make a thumbnail based on this script," and ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail for you. Review the thumbnail and make any small adjustments if needed to make it more eye-catching and clickable. This is the final step of the process. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this from us.